dreamers, and welcome to a brand new video for the new year. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a pleated crochet waistband. This is my second time trying this new technique that I've learned. For this project, I used a medium 4-weight yarn from Pound of Love. I used about half of it. I also used a 5mm crochet hook and a yarn needle, which you'll need a lot for attaching. Love experimenting and trying new techniques, so let's get started. So I chained about double the amount that I usually do for a crochet skirt waistband. So instead of my 72 stitches, I do 144 stitches, and then I created a half double crochet for 4 rows for all of the 144 stitches. So this is what the 4 rows of half double crochet stitches will look like. So once the band is created, you'll use your yarn needle and a strand of yarn, and then you'll begin to kind of fold over that crochet band. And then you'll begin to kind of sew through the top row 1 of stitches to kind of secure and attach the band folded over. Now you'll just continue on going straight down the row, and that's why you want to double the amount of waistband stitches for it, because you'll be decreasing that waistband with folding over the rows to create the pleats. So this is how the pleats will start to look. You'll see the difference from the top row from the bottom, where you'll start to create your length of your skirt. Now for the top of the waistband, you'll rejoin your hook into the top row 1, and you'll create single crochets, and you'll be working right through the folded pleats. Now this is what your top row for the waistband will start to look like. You can also return to the pleated folds with your yarn needle, and to secure them, you can work through the stitches. Now to create the length of your skirt, you'll be working at the very open bottom. You'll rejoin your hook into the side stitch, and what I did is I did double crochets, and you'll be working through all those kind of waves and the folds that were created when you secured them with your yarn needle. And now you just keep on creating as long as you want. Once I'm done creating my skirt, I also like to crochet the side of the rows, and I add on a zipper as well.